Welcome back to CEO's Projects. Today we're going to be seeing how a high voltage pulse generator arcs through various materials. We have ceramic, plastic, foam, paper, and glue. And we're just going to see how it would go through. Now, I am wearing PPE, and I know how to take the various safety precautions. So, nevertheless, let's get started. First, we're going to start with ceramic. I don't think much is going to happen. Well, I was very wrong. So, I don't know if you could see it. Gotta angle it correctly. It started to eat away at the bottom of the capacitor. That little divot right there was from it. So, yeah. I mean, it arced mostly through it, but I think that's because of the fact that there's two metal plates on the inside, so it was literally arcing straight across the electrolytic the electrolytic solution. So, yeah. Alright, now, next we're gonna do is glue. I don't think much is gonna happen. I think it's going to cut right through because glue, I feel like is gonna be a very good insulator. Okay, apparently I was right. There's no markings on the glue, it's not even warm, and as you can see, it broke the arc. So, yeah, and also you could feel a down current of the air being pushed, which is pretty cool. I don't know what that means, but it's pretty cool. Now, I think the next material is plastic, and I think that it's gonna act the exact same as the glue, or honestly, maybe even better. Okay, I can definitely say that it is a much better insulator than the glue. Down here, you probably couldn't see it, there was actually sparks coming from the helping hands because they're metal. But yeah, it cut the beam and no markings on it whatsoever. Alright, next, just some ordinary, good old paper. So here we go. Okay, so it didn't, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there are little holes and punctures on the paper which were caused by it. But other than that, and it's not even really burnt around it, it looks like someone took a needle and poked right through it. So, yeah, not really much, which is a little bit surprising. I thought it would have gone up in flames a little bit, but maybe not. Actually, you know what? Let's see. If I put it close enough to it, no, nothing, not even a burnt edge. It's perfectly clean. So, for our last item, which I think is gonna work pretty well, is foam. This is just normal light packing foam. Okay, wow, that shows a lot. That has a lot better of an effect. So, as you can easily see, it cut right through it. I mean, it arced straight through it. There was no problem. The beam was not cut in the slightest. So, that's really it. You get the nice beam. Sorry, I gotta focus it. And that's it. So, that's 5 materials. Foam, paper, ceramic, glue, and plastic. And this is it claims to be 1,000 kilovolt, what do you call it? Claims to be 1,000 kilovolts. It is this little module right here. It claims to be 1,000 kilovolts. I highly doubt it, but yeah, it's cool to see stuff arc through it. And it's also, I like the noise. Alright, well, have a good one.